Hey guys, Porsche has announced the last 911 in the 991 generation to roll off the assembly lines will be a 2019 heading here to America. The Speedster name goes back to the 1950s and the 356 at the time. Porsche designed the Speedster to be an entry-level car for the American market, removing the door glass, stripping as much as they could away from the car to make it as affordable as they could, with its 1.6-liter flat four producing around 60 horsepower. But what happened was the new 356 Speedster became the car most guys bought up for weekend racing. Even the iconic James Dean owned a 1955 Speedster before he traded it in on his 550 Spyder. Over the several-year run, Porsche made around 3,600 examples of the 356 Speedster. The Speedster would not return until 1989 for just a single-year production using the 3.2 Carrera engine with 214 horses. This 911 Speedster for the 1989 year had around 2,000 cars produced. Much like this 991 Speedster, it would be the last year of the generation. As for 1990, the new 911 964 generation car would be released. Then in 1994, again in the final year of the 911 964 generation, Porsche produced a Speedster, building less than 1,000 units before the new 911 993 generation was released. Then in 1998, are you starting to see a pattern here, folks? Porsche produced the next Speedster. The 993 Speedsters are considered to be the rarest of them all. We know that Bootsy Porsche has a beautiful green one, and Jerry Seinfeld also owns a 1993 Speedster as well. The current 991 Speedster follows in the footsteps of its family. The 991 production started in 2011 and has seen several specific models over this generation, most notably the 50th anniversary 911, of which only 1,963 cars were built. Also the 500 horsepower 911R and the 911T, along with the GT2 RS with its 700 horsepower turbo flat six motor. The 991 generation also produced the 1 millionth 911 built since 1963. Once again, the 991 Speedster is all about lightweight, having no air conditioning, no navigation system, no power folding convertible top, only a 6-speed manual transmission, not a 7-speed like its other 991 brothers, and no PDK with a 502 horsepower engine. The final 991 Speedster is not only the last 991, but the final Speedster with VIN number 1948. Well, some lucky American's going to be driving this very last 991 Speedster. Hope we get a chance to meet this guy and talk to him soon. Thanks, guys, and have a good one.